Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Grab your popcorn because this is a plot twist you didn't see coming. We've all known the iPhone SE series as that trusty sidekick in Apple's lineup, the superhero in disguise, giving you Apple vibes without the hefty price tag. But now, Apple is pulling a move straight out of a mystery novel. According to fresh reports, the iPhone SE4 we were all expecting for 2025 might not even be called that. Instead, Apple might name it. Drumroll, the iPhone 16e. Wait, what? You heard me right. iPhone 16e. What does these stand for? Exciting? Economical? Or maybe extra confusing? Who knows, right? Apple's naming decisions are more mysterious than the ending of Inception. But here's why this might actually make sense. Look, the iPhone SE has always been that nostalgic trip down memory lane with the older design, familiar features, and that comforting home button. But the rumored iPhone 16e, oh, it's different. We're talking a sleek design from the newer iPhones, Face ID, that fancy action button from the iPhone 16 lineup, and a powerful 48-megapixel camera. Now, if this phone is packing all of that, calling it an SE might feel like calling a Ferrari a go-kart, right? That's where the 16e name comes in. It's like Apple saying, hey, this isn't your typical SE. This is something fresh, something different. And honestly, it's probably a smart move. A lot of folks still associate the SE with older designs, and a name change could help reset expectations. So, what does this iPhone 16e bring to the table? Well, buckle up, because this could be a game changer for budget-friendly phones. First up, it could bring Apple's cutting-edge AI features to a budget device. That's right, you could get the same tech found in the iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 16 without breaking the bank. Here's what we're hearing the specs will look like. A powerful A18 chip, 8 GB of RAM, an OLED display, yes, OLED. It'll stick with 60 Hz for the screen refresh rate, but hey, that's still a massive step up from the old LCD displays. MagSafe and USB-C for charging, and a price tag between $500 and $550. That's a whole $150 cheaper than the standard iPhone 16. Not bad, right? Sounds pretty sweet, right? But here's the catch. The 16e might still rock the classic notch instead of the dynamic island, and it's probably going to have a single back camera instead of the dual camera setup. Think of it as Apple's way of saying, you can't have everything, but here's a lot for a little. So, what do you think, tech streamers? Is the iPhone 16e a smart rebranding move, or is this just a confusing twist? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe if you like what we're doing here. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.